Hello my darlings, and welcome to the first hair review of 2026, and we are starting off the year strong with HerGivenHair. If you guys don't know the history between me and HerGivenHair, I absolutely love this company so much. I bought hair from them with my own money and I purchased hair from them. So this is why I'm absolutely loving this collaboration, because they have nothing but good wigs for you. But this one's going to be a bit different. It's out of my comfort zone, I'm not going to lie to you. So let's get into the box. So let me just quickly read out what I've got here. This is a shake and go full wig. She is 14 inches long, coily 3C to 4A, and one size fits all. And I say she's out of my comfort zone because, as you can see, she's a curly, gingery, brownish wig. And I don't think I've ever tried a colour like this. And she comes with a fringe as well, so let's put her on. I do want to add that she has an adjustable drawstring at the back. So when it says one size fits all, it literally is one size fits all. So if you have a smaller head, just adjust these drawstrings at the back, or if you have a larger head, just, you know, don't adjust it, I guess. There is a tiny bit of lace right here, as you can see, and the curls are absolutely stunning. I can't wait to brush these out because I do like that kind of big hair look. She is shorter as well, so she is going to give more fullness, which I love. Okay, this is her, literally a shake and go. So it literally just means that you just basically play around with her, shake her up a little bit and see how she manages to style. I'm gonna go and style this now without talking to the camera because I really need to concentrate. I do have my water bottle handy, some leave-in conditioner, some curl defining cream that I'll be using as well.
Oh, so what I forgot to add as well, it's a shake and go wig, so it's super easy. There's no lace to cut and there's no glue needed at all. It's literally so perfect, just like if you don't like lace anymore, which annoys me so much, like there's no lace at all. And if you want a break from lace, it's just absolutely amazing. Or if you're rushing out the door, you can literally just pop it on your head and you're good to go. And yeah, once it's prepped, you can just put it on, shake your head and go. Like literally, it's one of the best shake and go wigs I've ever seen. And like, I really just love low maintenance wigs. So yeah, I hope you enjoy this styling. It took me literally like 5 to 10 minutes, and that includes drying. But honestly, obsessed with this hair so much. And at the end of the video as well, I'll show you how it looks when I've dyed it black, because I did end up dyeing it black as well, because you can always switch up your look whenever you want to.
Okay, I've officially finished styling her. And what I've learned about this wig is that she loves water, she loves hydration, and she loves curling or leave-in conditioner products. You can see the curls are absolutely beautiful. I get that lovely afro look, which I love. That's the look I was going for. If you want a more defined look, then I would definitely recommend going in and finger coiling her. I've done a few at the front here, as you can see, and yeah, but I don't have all day to be finger coiling a wig, especially as this thick as well. And like I said, it's a shake and go wig, so I really want it out of the box and I can go straight away. But I absolutely love her. The color is gorgeous. She's really out of my comfort zone, like really, but I'm not mad at her. I think I'd be more scared, but this is absolutely stunning. I love the fullness. I love how light it feels on my head. I don't have to do too much. And also the curls are very, like, they feel hydrated, they feel very soft. Even detangling them, I didn't have to do much detangling. I'm just not mad at this wig. I'm absolutely stunned to speak. Like, look at the volume and look at the fullness. You know I love some full hair. This is giving very much like black girl 80s 90s kind of look, especially with the color. But yeah, I'm absolutely obsessed. I really want it to go bigger. So yeah, make sure you check the links below. HerGivenHair has never disappointed me. I absolutely love her. I love the wig. It's just stunning. It goes beautiful with my skin complexion. Deeper skin tone friendly as well. She's just stunning. Thanks guys for watching, and I hope you liked my video. Bye.